Welcome to this essential guide on using Binance safely. First, always verify the vendor's feedback and completion rate before initiating a trade or making a payment. Secondly, never release your cryptocurrency assets until you have received full payment through the correct channel. Thirdly, if you encounter any suspicious transactions or activities, report them immediately to Binance's customer support team. By following these 3 essential tips, you can significantly enhance the security of your Binance trading experience. Enable 2-factor authentication and use strong passwords to protect your Binance account. Monitor your account regularly for any unauthorized or suspicious activity. Familiarize yourself with Binance's security features and policies to stay informed and vigilant. Exercise caution when sharing personal or financial information and be wary of potential scams or phishing attempts. Stay up to date with the latest security best practices and industry developments related to cryptocurrency trading. Understand the risks associated with cryptocurrency trading and invest only what you can afford to lose. Seek professional advice or guidance if you are unsure about any aspect of using Binance or trading cryptocurrencies. Remember, security and responsible trading practices are crucial for a safe and successful experience on Binance.